In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then use those three dots at the top right corner. So misclick, hit floating window and tap on that tiny one. As you can see now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and pull it. To change it into a bubble, click on Home button and swipe tiny window to the side. Then tap on the bubble to access it again. To use your app in full screen view, click at the top left corner or pull it all the way down, and when you see this blue area, let go. Now to close it, you can simply swipe it in the background or click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!